be trying to remember, like, where's my nipples? I just thought because I was driving. And they, it's like...
You had how many? Mother and I, say hi. Hi. We're going to run errands. We have to go to the mall. We're gonna grab some food after. I'll film a little bit when we get to the mall. Okay, bye. Okay, yeah, so I'm so new to this vlog life, y'all. Check, okay, say hi. Oh, it's cold out here, y'all, and I'm trying to be cute. I got my coat, though.
저기요, 네. 좋아.
This jacket.
저기요, 네.
I forgot to show you guys what we're eating. Sorry to you.
You gotta have a good woman.
Yeah. I'm heading to a friend's birthday dinner. Just wanted to vlog a little bit, do a little fit check. You know, yeah. But yeah, I have this blazer on, and I just put my fur jacket over. It's almost the same color as my clutch as well, but I'll see you guys in my next clip. Bye. Birthday girl.
Hello, birthday girl.
Yes, and how old are we? How old are we?
22.
Yes, honey, that's what I'm talking about. Say, darling. And what's your name?
Devin.
serious?
Now do people see how retarded I am? I keep trying to remember, like, where's my nipples? I just thought because I was driving. And did you find this, like, what do you mean? Like the dress moves. And so then, like, if this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
Cut the cameras.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Yay. Happy birthday. I got put Happy birthday.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like homemade.
Today I will be taking you on a night out. It's the weekend. I want to go out to this bar that I've been wanting to go to since like last summer. So I'm reconnecting with one of my good girlfriends and we're just gonna have us a good time, and you guys are too, okay?
Yeah, this is gonna be a part of the vlog, and there's gonna be music, blah blah blah.
Said good day.